Hi guys, today we tackle about the importance of using strong password. Alam naman natin na halos lahat ay gumagamit na ng online for school, social, and shopping. But there's a question. Your account is really safe?
The answer is yes, your password. So today, we talk about why having password is very important.
Protecting financial information. A strong password can safeguard your online banking, credit card, or payment account, preventing unauthorized transaction and financial loss.
A strong password is hard to guess, even for hackers. It should not be something simple like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or password. It should be unique and difficult to crack.
Why is a strong password? Here are some reasons. First, to stop hackers. Make password easy. Second, to protect your personal info, like photos, grades, or your address.
Third, to avoid identity theft when someone pretends to be you online. Last, to stop people from using your account for scams of news.
Tips for strong password. Here are some tips. Use big, small letters. Use numbers and symbols. So make sure that your password is secure. Mix your name, birthday, and other important details in your life. So make sure that your password is very secure, not easy to open of others.
Remember, a strong password is your first protection online. Don't take it for granted. Be smart, be safe, and always use a strong password.